Hello students, time for another gizmo. So as always, let's go to explorelearning.com. We want to go to find gizmos. And if you type in the word pend, we've got period of a pendulum. That is the one that we want. Here's the gizmo. So let's click it to launch. And as always, under the info, you've got your student exploration sheet. And it may already be assigned to you as a Google Doc, but if not, you can access it here. Remember, this tells you what to do, where to record your answers, and also where to record your data. We'll go to full screen, and I am going to turn off the sound so there's less clicking for this. Now, as soon as you start this gizmo, you notice that the time over here starts moving. That's perfectly fine. All you do is you click Mark Time, and it will mark the time here on where you're starting it when you're ending it. There's a few parameters of the pendulum that we're going to be changing. You can change m for mass, the length of the string. You can change gravity's acceleration. Right now it's 9.8 meters per second squared because that's what it is on Earth. And this is a theta. This is the angle over here that it's swinging from. And all you have to do is use these sliders to change the mass, or you can change the length of the string, or you can even change the angle that it's swinging. So we'll keep it at a small angle. You can also change the simulation speed if you wanted to perhaps slow it down to get the timing right. And so what you want for this particular gizmo is one complete oscillation, is where the arrow is here. If it starts here, it has to get back there. You can also add an arrow if you wanted to drag it down. If that helps, you probably can just use your mouse, or you can eyeball it. And so what I'm going to do is just an example. I'm going to look here, and then I'm going to time how long it takes to get back. So start, stop. And then that information is recorded in the table. The other thing that you could do is you can also do it for a certain amount of time. So if we started again here, 1, and we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 oscillations. Now we have the time that it took for 5 of those swings, and of course you divide it by 5, and that's how long it takes to do one of those complete oscillations. So what you're going to be doing for this is you're going to be changing the mass, the length, and the angle to see if those have an effect on the period of the pendulum. And that's it. That's how you do this one. Give it a try, and I will see you in class.